guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 1 of March. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so starting off with electricity. Electricity is getting its usual $50. Car insurance is getting $45. Okay, onto my cash envelopes. Alright, so let me get my leftover money. So let's see how much change we have. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. These dollars is going into my kids' piggy bank, and these 5s is going into my $5 saving jar. Okay, on to groceries. So groceries is getting $120 this week. So 120. Okay, next is gas, and gas is getting $20. Spending is getting $20 also. Beauty is getting $5. And last is giving, and giving is getting $5. Okay, on to my sinking funds. Okay, so starting off with my daughter savings, you guys, it feels so thin, like I have no money in here. So Lanesia is getting $25. So 25. Okay, let me zoom this in a bit. Lanesia has 5,000, 6,000, 500, 600, 700, 8, 900, 50, 70, 95. So she is so close. 5 more dollars for $7,000. So $995. So she will be definitely getting a 1K slip in my next update sinking funds video. Next is Jaden, and Jaden is also getting $25. Jaden has 5,000, 6,000, 500, 6, 700, 50, 70, 95, 800. So Jaden has 6,800. Next is family time, and family time is getting $10. One, two, three, 450, 65. So we have 465 in family time. You guys, I'm about to drop my iPad because it is just shaking too much in this position. me do that right now. Okay, next is Drip, and Drip is getting $10. 50, 70, 85. So we have 85 in Drip. Okay, onto my emergency fund binder. Alright, so cash emergency fund is not getting stuff this week, but we have $2,000 in there. So let me just count it. We have 1,500, which is in the bank, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 in cash. So we have 2,000 in our cash emergency fund envelope. Okay, next is my home emergency fund, and that is getting $200. So 1, 200. Okay, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8,000, 500, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9,025. So we have $9,025 in our home emergency fund. Wow, you guys, we are so close to hitting $10,000. So this is going to need a 1K slip in my next update sinking funds video. Next is my car emergency fund, and that isn't getting stuff this week, but we're gonna see how much money we have in there. So we have 1,506, $720. So we have 1,720 in our car emergency fund, and I think my goal for this is $2,000, so that's what I'm gonna cap this off at. Alright, next is health, and health is getting $10. Okay, so we have 500, 600, 700, 800, 10, 20. So 820 in health. Okay, on to our scratch off challenge. So I'm gonna scratch off this one. So this is $50 from our gold challenge, and then onto our diamond challenge. And so we're gonna do this one. So 50 plus 175 is $225. So $225 next week. That's going to be going into our home emergency fund. Alright, on to Christmas. Christmas is getting $20 this week. So 20. So Christmas has 150, 70, 90, 210, 215. So we have 215 in Christmas. Okay, back to school is getting $5. So we have $15 in back to school. On to invest. Invest isn't getting stuff this week. Gifts is getting $5. So we have $20 in gifts. And last is my 52-week savings challenge, and that is getting $85. 50, 70, 85. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.